woman wrote 2 books, spent $75 on ads, and in 1 year, those books paid her $97,000. She has not touched them since. A mechanic filmed car tips he already knew, and reportedly turned it into 24 million. Neither one is a guru. 5 ways real people earn passive income right now, and Claude just killed the hardest part of every one. Real people, real numbers. Number 1. Self-publishing books on Amazon, known as KDP. You write a book one time, Amazon prints it, ships it, handles the customers, and just mails you royalty checks forever. It is the same deal as a hit song. Dolly Parton wrote "I Will Always Love You Once" in 1973. 50 years later, every single play still pays her. A book works the exact same way. Rachel Richards self-published 2 finance books, about 25,000 copies each, $75 on ads. In 1 year, $97,000 in royalties. Writing a book used to take 6 months, or a $30,000 ghostwriter. Now Claude writes the outline, the draft, and the edits. You add your voice and fact-check it. Publish 1 a quarter and niche down hard. Not productivity. Productivity for nurses. Number 2. An affiliate niche blog. Picture a vending machine. You stock it once with honest articles, and it dispenses commissions while you sleep. Someone lands from Google, clicks your link, buys, and you keep a cut. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner started a finance blog tracking her student loans. 1 old post about stay-at-home jobs still pulls tens of thousands of readers a month. She makes about $40,000 a month and once ran it from a cruise ship for 4 months. Articles that took a pro days to research, Claude can outline, draft, and structure for search in minutes. You add your real opinions, drop your links, and hit publish. Now stop and notice what all of these share. A passive asset, plus a traffic source you borrow. Amazon, Google, YouTube, plus a social layer that spreads it. Claude builds the asset. The platform brings the people. That is the entire game. Number 3. The same move, but on YouTube. Call it a toll booth. People are already driving toward a purchase. You just put a booth in the middle and take a small fee. And YouTube pays you per view from ads, on top of any commission. Review channels for things people are already about to buy. Courses, tools, gadgets, reportedly clear 5 figures a month. Claude does the research and scripts the comparison. You just bring the honest take. Number 4. Evergreen answer videos. This one is an oil well. You drill it once and it pumps for years. Answer a question people will always ask. A math problem the night before the test. A tax question in April. The organic Chemistry Tutor is just a guy solving problems on a tablet. Rough audio, no editing. He reportedly makes $79,000 a month from ads alone, posting once every few months. Claude finds the evergreen questions and drafts the answers. You are not chasing viral. You are drilling wells that pay for years. Number 5, and the easiest of all. Document your job. Whatever you already do 40 hours a week, just record it. You already own the asset. The boring, obvious thing to you is exactly what someone else is desperate to learn. Scotty Kilmer filmed car tips for years. He reportedly made more in a single month on YouTube than he saved in 40 years as a mechanic. Reported total? $24 million from stuff he already knew. Claude turns your workday, the things you already tell clients and coworkers, into titles, scripts, and a posting plan. So here is the pattern. You do not need a new skill, an audience, or luck. You need one honest asset and Claude to build it. And the best one is probably something you already know. So pick one and start today. Ideas Repay finds where the money is already moving and hands you the walkthrough to build on it.